Hi, first grade. We are back again with session 2 of Unit 8, the change box, day 1. So we've got some change things, but like they put them in the picnic basket, we're going to look at some different things. So yesterday I showed at the end, a class book might look like this. The in would be 6 cookies. The out would be 12 cookies. We'd be doubling the 6. 6 plus 6 equals 12. If we were to put 4 butterflies in, how many would we get out? Here's what it would look like. We would get 8 butterflies out. Remember, on the back side, we would want to write the equation that goes along with this, which would be 4 plus 4 equals 8. Good. Take a look at this one. If we were to put 10 trucks in, and our out would show 20 trucks, and our equation would be 10 plus 10 equals 20. Each one of those we would be doubling. Okay, we would be taking the first number that we put in and putting another same amount in to get our out. Hey friends, this is a funny looking in and out machine, but they're showing you what it would look like. It is called a function machine. Okay, and even though this function machine really doesn't work, we can use some examples and show some examples of how it would work. So we have, I can't move myself. We have a function machine that if I were to put this card that has 3 dots on it in, and I would get this card out, okay? Take a look. Look at what the change is. We still have those 3 dots that we had, but how many more dots do we have? We have 2 more. So in this kind of a function machine, it works a little bit different because this time it doesn't double. If we were to put 3 in, and we get 5 out, think about what the change has been. Are we adding to get the out number? Are we subtracting to get the out number? And how many more or how many less? Take a look. If we were to put 4 in, and the same function machine, when we have a function machine, it does the same function all the time. So in the doubling basket, it always doubled things. It didn't change in the middle what it was doing. So this function machine is going to do the same thing over and over again until we change the function or what is happening to the number. Okay, so here we have 4 and we have 6. Let's take a look at the next one. We can find that every time we put a number in, we added 2 to get the out number. So the rule right here, okay, the rule is plus 2. Okay, so a function machine will always have a rule. Sometimes you'll get a function or a table like this and have to figure out the function, but sometimes you'll get the function already, what the rule is, and then have to figure it out. Let me see what slide I'm on. Right here. If I were to put a 6 in, and we know that rule is plus 2, what would come out? That would be an 8. Good. Here's another function. Now insert, so now we're going to change it up. We are going to insert the reverse side of the change cards. That means instead of doing plus 2, we're going to reverse that function. And you guys all play Uno, so you know that when you reverse, you go the other way. So if we were going plus 2, now we're going to go the other way and go minus 2. So I want you to take a look here. We have a 5. We're going to put that N card in and take a look at what comes out. Only 3 comes out. So since we're doing it in reverse, now our biggest number is going in, and we're going to do some subtraction to get our number to come out. So let's think about these cards that I'm going to show you, and what rule can we generate for these cards? What's the rule? Okay, so if we have a 5 and we come out with a 3, or if we have a 6 and we come out with a 4, remember we talked about what happens to the first number. Does it get bigger? Does it get smaller? And once we decide that, we can decide whether we're adding or subtracting to get that out number. So here, the function is the rule. Whoops. I'm changing all kinds of things here. The rule is minus 2. Okay? So, friends, that's our lesson for today. There are some workplaces. If you get a chance to go back and do them, that's fine. If not, I really want you to practice with some function boxes. You can make a table just on a piece of paper. If you want to make number cards to be able to change them, tomorrow we're going to look at how we can use number cards rather than dot cards. Okay, I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye.